Parents. Line. Parents, sorry, what was that again? Parents, do you have a lot to keep track of? This can help. Okay, work is done. Laundry's got 20 minutes left. Glasses. Coffee. Why do I feel like I'm forgetting something?
Here's your reminder. Get the kids ready for school.
Thank you. Oh, that reminds me. I gotta make sure I have their lunch ready too. Have Alexa set up a recurring reminder for you so you don't forget a thing. Right. Alexa, remind me to make my signature PB and chocolate sandwich every weekday at 9 a.m.
Okay, I'll remind you.
Oh, and Alexa, remind me to pick up chocolate tomorrow at noon. Alexa, remind me to make dentist appointments at 3 p.m. Alexa, remind me to call my mom back tomorrow. Alexa, remind me to ask Maria for the dentist number in an hour. Not his actual number, just the office phone. Alexa, remind me to delete dating apps tomorrow. Alexa, remind me to get a babysitter for Saturday night.
Okay, I'll remind you. Here's your reminder. Pick the kids up from Billy's house.
You know, you can ask Alexa to remind you later or snooze too. Oh, well, okay then. Alexa, snooze. Oh, but don't snooze trying Alexa reminders for yourself. Go on, before you forget. 'Cause she will.